Good morning, children. I am Sharma sir, your math teacher, with the new video on chapter 12, equation of a straight line. Children, in this chapter we will learn inclination of a straight line and the slope of a straight line, that is gradient. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis, equation of a line parallel to y-axis, equation of a line slope-intercept form, and equation of a line point-slope form, and equation of a line two-point form. So we will study about equation of a line in these different forms. Now see equation of a line parallel to x-axis. You see the x-axis and y-axis, and this line is parallel to x-axis. Okay, this line is parallel to y-axis, and in this you got a slope of a line. Slope means what? Inclination. Okay, a line which is forming a positive angle with the x-axis is considered as slope of the line. So that is theta, and the line which is intersecting the y-axis is known as C, that is y-intercept. Okay, so in general, first inclination of a line parallel to y-axis, here this C parallel to a y-axis is vertical on x-axis, so that is why it is G 90 degree. And second, inclination of a line parallel to x-axis, this one, if it is parallel to x-axis, this line parallel to x-axis, then inclination is what? 0. Alright, so this is to understand a slope of a straight line. Now see the slope of a straight line, this one. If theta is the inclination, here theta is the inclination of the line, then tan theta is called the slope or gradient of a line. This tan theta here, tan theta is called the slope and gradient of the line. The slope of a line is denoted by m, that is m equal to tan theta. Okay, now you have to remember that these are the things to note it down. Remember it as, first, slope of a vertical line is not defined. Vertical line, slope of vertical line means this line. So why? Because it is theta is 90 degrees, so it is not defined. Tan theta is not defined here, you know. Then second, a horizontal line has no x-intercept. You see, horizontal line has no x-intercept. Why? Because it is not inclined, it is parallel to x-axis, so there is x-intercept is not there. And third, the vertical line has no y-intercept. Here vertical line has no y-intercept because it is 90 degree, so no y-intercept. So these are the notes, these you have to remember about the straight line. Now see, you have to learn the different form of equation of a line. The equation of a line parallel to x-axis. If a line is parallel to x-axis, then it will be some distance from x-axis. So let it be b here. Then if it is b distance from x-axis, then the coordinate of p will be xy. Okay, let the coordinate of p is xy. That means what is the value of y? Y is b. So therefore, and x is, from here x is there. So the equation of a line, a straight line parallel to x-axis is denoted by y equal to b. It is denoted by y equal to b. Similarly, equation of a line parallel to x-axis, see, a line parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis, and it is at a distance of a. So therefore, the equation of a line parallel to y-axis is also x equal to a. So if it is parallel to x-axis, then y equal to b, and if it is parallel to x-axis, then x equal to parallel to y-axis, then x equal to a. So this way you can understand. Now see the equation of a line slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form, children, है ना? Slope-intercept form means a line is inclined on the x-axis, so this is slope, and y-intercept, because this line AP is intersecting y-axis at B, and this BO is the slope, the intercept. So this is denoted as y-intercept and C. So here if you draw a line parallel to y-axis from P, Suppose P is a point over here. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. PM is the line, and draw a line perpendicular to PM from B, that is BN. Then you will get a right angle triangle BNP. So what are the coordinates of this P? P is xy, and here the distance BN is the coordinate of BN. The BN is x. It is x distance from origin on x-axis. So you see that this is x-axis, this is the x, and the PN will be what? From P to M it is y, and this y-intercept is C. So this C will subtract from y, then y minus C. So in right angle triangle you got PN equal to y minus C and BN equal to x. So in right angle triangle, from the figure you see, in right angle triangle PNB, tan theta equal to PN by BN. Tan theta equal to PN by BN. Yes, you can see that. Tan in right angle triangle PNB, you got tan theta. Tan theta, if you have studied in trigonometry, in a right angle triangle, if it is theta, then this is perpendicular, this is base. So tan theta equal to PN by BN. So we will write here tan theta is equal to PN by BN, and tan theta is what? Tan theta is the slope. Just you have learned right now. Slope is denoted by M, so that is why tan theta is denoted as M, and PN is y minus C and BN is x. So after cross multiplication you got the mx equal to y minus C, and therefore y equal to mx plus C. So this is the equation of a line. What? This is the equation of a line slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Okay? So remember this way, and you practice this. Try to understand the concept of this equation of a straight line, and in next video I will explain some different types of equation of a line, and then we will study about the question of the exercise. Thank you, children.